Good morning po, papunta po kami ng Baguio City. Ayan po, ayan si Mike.
Please obey all
Ayan
traffic
sila,
regulations.
kumakain, ayan. Ayan si sister.
Turn right.
Ayan.
In 600 meters.
Ayan si
Turn right.
Daisy, tulog. Bakit po kami ng Baguio? Andito na po kami sa Tiplex. Malapit-lapit na po kami sa Baguio.
Turn right.
Dito na po
In
kami
600
sa
meters.
Rosario.
Turn right.
Ayan, Baguio.
Walang bantay sa itatay.
Baguio, Bayakinon.
Mamaya pa sa uwi.
Continue straight on 54 Cannon Road.
Ito na po kami sa Welcome to Benguet Province. Ayan, sa
Bengket
taas.
pala siya.
Oo, Benguet.
Ay.
Ito na po kami sa Cannon. Pakit na po kami ng Cannon
Please
Road.
obey all traffic regulations.
Mamaya po hinto po kami sa Lion's Head. Lion's Head. The Lion's Head.
Saan ka pwede mag-park?
See? Apart tayo. Ayan po, ang Lion's Head. Dito na po kami.
Marami naman dito sa taas, no? Dito lang ba dito yan? Marami dito.
Mas walang parking. Dito na po kami sa Lion's Head. Ayan, Lion's Head. Pinasyal ko po dito si ate, si JG, si Mike, at yung kanyang son, si Carter. Ayan, ayan po yung Lion's Head. JG. Hi Carter! Carter! Hi! Say hi! JG, what happened to you? Are you okay? Are you okay, JG? Yan, dito na po kami sa hotel namin. Camiseta Hotel. Camiseta Hotel. Check-in na po kami dito sa Camiseta Hotel.
9150 po, ma'am.
Car 915 Kaya
Kunin ko na rin po yung breakfast niyo po, ma'am.
Breakfast?
Ito po yung hotel namin. Hindi ko nakuna ng aking artista nakapasok sa room. Ito na po kami sa room. Ayan. Ayan po yung aking artista nakahiga na.
Hello, hi.
Nagre-rest na ang
We're just
aking
relaxing.
artista
We're going
nakahiga
out.
na. Ganda ito yung hotel ah.
Ang ganda nga eh.
Or you wanna eat outside? Ganda. Ayan po si Vilma yan. Friend ni ate.
Yeah, hello. Hi. Oo, lahat kumain. Nag-picture ako dun.
Ganda rin, no? Dito po kami nag-lunch sa Shakey's. Dahil yun po ang gusto nung baby handsome. Ayan, baby handsome. Carter. Dito po kami nag-lunch sa Shakey's. Wala pa chicken, no? Doon tayo. Dito po kami sa Burnham Park. Ayan. Burnham Park. Carter. At Burnham Park, Baguio.
Say Baguio.
Baguio. JG. Burnham Park, Baguio. Ayan po si ate. Sister. Burnham Park, Baguio.
Burnham Park, Baguio. Ayan o, sasakay ka ba?
Yeah, she's starting a little bit.
po. Swan boat. Ayan.
Try namin na tayo. Maganda yun. Yung ito. Kahit kayo, sir, po. Pilang 8, 205. $250 lang daw lahat tayo. Hoy!
Ayan.
250 daw lahat tayo. Brother!
Ano?
250 daw lahat na tayo.
Sino ba? Ayan, dito na. Dito po kami sa Botanical Garden. Sa Baguio. Botanical Garden. Oh, take a picture na. Picture na kayo. There. Diyo. Ayan. Dito po kami sa Mines View.
Ay, kayo sakay na ma'am. Pilang solo.
Mines View po kami. Entrance. Go ahead, JJ. Yan na yun. Maganda. Gumanda. Paalala, ang yung nakasunod, may good question, bawal bumaba sa view deck. Bawal. Careful.
Can I see your phone for picture?
Here's the... Ito na po yung view ng Mines View.
Mines View. Pwede ka na. Sure na.
Wait. Ano po kami? Ayun, merong ano, ginagawang daan na yun.
Wow, baby, look!
Yeah.
Ano din yan ba yun? Oh, tapos? Kapatid. 50 pesos. Anong? 50 pesos.
Ayan. May mga kabayo.
Ayun siya guys, usas.
There's... Mines View.
Kabayo na kabayo.
You like a picture, Carter, at the horse? No?
Board party ang bunny.
Ba? Oo. Good morning, guys.
Morning.
Morning, Mike. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
How old are you now?
31.
31. Too young. Good.
Here, buddy. You can dip that in.
Bigay mo na yung ano, binigay niyo na.
Ano?
Gift.
Pa, magpipicture pa mo po kayo.
Tapa ka ba?
Sasabihin nga dito eh.
Okay.
Hello! Ano to? Ito ba? Ano?
Delicious pastries, IES. Ay,
Ano yun?
yung IES,
Where?
yung pastry mo dapat.
Mike.
Ayan po, binigyan ng birthday cake si Mike. Dahil birthday niya po.
the vloggers. I will see.
Birthday po ni Mike.
Wow.
He's 31 years old now.
Yep. It says happy birthday, Michael.
Yeah.
Okay,
You gonna sing? You gonna sing?
Yeah, he loves singing happy birthday.
Wow, okay. Ready?
1,
2, 3, go! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Oh, ba't walang ano? Hindi
Out
pinaandar.
already.
Oh my God, no, wait. Let's do it again. Happy birthday.
What?
Day to you.
Wait, there's no fire.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Ilan ba?
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Light.
Mom, you have lighter, right? It's right here.
Did you?
Oh, he's coming. He's got it.
Yeah, yeah. Here.
Look at his beautiful
Yeah.
cake.
Oh, one more time.
No.
Happy
How old are
birthday.
you now, Mike?
31.
31. Okay, make a wish and blow your
All right,
cake.
Carter, blow for me. Can you blow this?
Blow for Dad.
Good, very good. Good job.
Can you open your gifts, Mike?
Good.
All the way from the U.S.
Chicago. Yeah,
My
bakit?
favorite baseball team.
Yeah.
Oh.
Can you do it like this?
What's that? At Chicago.
Wow.
Chicago.
Smiling.
Why is he laughing? like
Okay, let's
that?
see at the back too.
The back is blank on this one.
Okay, what about the other one?
From Chicago na tapos binili from US.
Of course. That's all the way from the U.S.
Yeah, good. Nice shirt.
There's original here in the Philippines.
Nice shirt, ha?
Nice
Thank you,
shirt.
thank you, thank you.
Welcome. We're here at
Hmm.
Happy birthday, Mike.
Thank you, thank you.
And galing po kami ng nakapag-check out na po kami sa hotel. Dito po kami ngayon sa Good Shepherd. Bibili kami ng ube. Ube jam. Gonna buy something. JJ, picture kayo dyan. Good. Shepherd Gallery. Yan, dito po ako. Good Shepherd. Bumili ng ube jam. Tsaka lengua. Ayan po, dito kami sa taas. Ito, taas oh. Nagpapag. Wala makita. Ayun. Papag doon sa dulo. Ayan, papasok na po ako ng sasakyan ko. Ay. It's birthday mate today.
Give me one. I'm just throw this way. I'll be right back.
Okay. Hi Carter.
Carter, you say hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
Military.
Igorot Lodge, Abiari, Picnic Hill, exit. Dito po kami sa PMA. Pumapasyal po kami dito sa PMA. Nandito po kami sa Kenon. Pababa na. Ayan. Did you see the lion's head? I hear the lion's head.
Oh, yeah.
See?
Where?
Ah,
Way down there.
Oh, okay.
See the lion's head? Ayan, together with my ate and Mike.
The lion's head?
Yeah, see?
Sure. Okay, para makita.
We're walking at the BGC together with Mike. Yeah, the birthday boy. Yeah. And Jojo over there, the front. We're going to, ano? Saan tayo pupunta? BBQ. Ano yung BBQ? Barbecue? BBQ. Hindi ko alam kung barbecue yun o BBQ na yun. Kung ano yun. Restaurant ba yan? BGC. Ayan, dito na po kami sa BBQ Chicken. Chicken pala dito. Ang dami best of the best quality. Ang dami kumakain na. Siguro masarap. BBQ chicken. There you go. Hi Gerald.
Did you get to go?
Hi RJ. Hi Gio. Thank you Gian, I love you. Kaya love na love kita eh. Ah. Thank you for your trip.
Thank you for your treat. Ito na lang oh. Dalawang ganyan. Tubig lang.
Ah, nandun pa sa ano eh. Ha? Tangka din. Gian, binabawi ko na yung sinabi ko kanina. hindi na thank you. Kamali pala ako, nagkamali.
Guys, smile! Guys, smile!
Guwapo.
You gotta smile. You have to